I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Copilot and confirming image generation is enabled, then pick a target style and aspect ratio. Provide a concise creative brief, include reference images and a color palette so Copilot understands context. Specify focal points, mood, and resolution goals to avoid back and forth. Once done, craft your first prompt with subject, style, and any constraints like no text or transparent background. This kickstarts generation and gives you a clear baseline to iterate from. Now you iterate. Request variations and tweak seed or randomness to explore alternatives. Use masking or inpainting to change specific regions without regenerating the whole image, which saves time and preserves what you like. Learn to refine prompts by adding camera terms, lighting, and material adjectives so results match your vision. Make incremental changes and compare outputs side by side. When you see a promising direction, lock those elements and focus edits on the remaining issues for faster conversion. To finish, export the image in your required format and resolution, and save layered or original assets when available so you can re-edit later. If you encounter artifacts or odd anatomy, increase sampling, alter the seed, or run a selective redo with inpainting. Upscaling can also reduce noise. Make sure to save prompt history and versioned assets so you can reproduce or iterate further. One key troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, simplify the prompt and reintroduce details gradually to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.